She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me.
Ooh, it is cold out here. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today we are in my hometown. If you don't know, now you know today that I was born and raised in Flint, Michigan. A lot of you guys may have heard about this city from the Flint water crisis, negative news. But there's some positive news because there we have a lot of athletes that came from this city as well. Like early 90s, I would say, like you got Mateen Cleaves, you got Morris Peterson, all those guys made it to the league. The newest people like Kyle Kuzma that played for the Lakers with LeBron, or Miles Bridges that played with LaMelo Ball and with the Charlotte Hornets. They all came from Flint, so that's where I'm from. But today we are at the Dort Federal Center right here behind me. They had this event called Chrome and Ice. So even though it's cold outside, they got a car show inside. So with me so you can see what's inside and what they have to offer. Getting greeted by the 68. Wow. Oh, it looked at black. It's green. It's like remind me of that Rally Green, but this is way better than Rally Green that came on the 6th gen. Wow. We just at the top level here. As you can see, like look down here. They have more cars down there, old school. So they're all unique. So I can't wait to go down there and see what they have. Lots of vendors here. Top half, it looks like it's nothing but vendors. So guys, look at this race motorist and this whole chassis. Wow. So as I'm just noticing here, they got the C8 over here. Then you have the, I think it's a C3. I believe so. This is a C3. Then you have the C7 here. Like, they all look good. The body style's in pristine shape. Very pristine shape here. Like, this is blacked out. You cannot even see. I'm standing right here and I barely can see in there. So I know at night, this is brutal. And like the front is tinted too. Wow. Like the wild cherry, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, so we have met a lot of vendors. I have met a lot of people that do cool things, but it took me a minute to find out how to get down here to the main event where these cars is, because you had to take the stairs. So we finally made it. They got this special display down here. Pretty cool. Finally made it to the main floor. Yeah, this color definitely stands out. I really like it. That boy is, look at that interior, is phenomenal. This is spec'd out nice. So clean, you can see myself in it. They got nice old school cars, classic cars that I haven't seen in a long time. Lowriders in the middle, back here, and then you got Vegas, Road Runners down there, you got Chevrolet Vegas, you got Plum Crazy Challengers, and then you got like the Nissan Z's over there. So yeah, check out this, guys. Like, we got the Nissan Datsun. This is the first time I've ever seen one in this color. Like, this looks good. Really good. And from here, you can see they saving the manuals. But this is like original paint. Original wheels. So we're gonna get some B-roll of this. Let's get some B-roll. I'm like an emerald blue. Jeez. This is like the cleanest Trans Am. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I gotta get the.
But this kind of company, I love driving it because they smile all over. Yeah. We don't go to the show. I'm sorry.
Oh no, you're fine.
And anyway.
So I was talking to the gentleman here. The paintings here is made from brass. All this here and this here, the wires that go through the stainless steel. Yes, sir. If you can, that'll be nice. Love the seats. Crazy Dodge right here. Ooh. But look at this Chevy Vega right here. But it actually remind me of the 6th gen headlights. This is pretty nice. This is one car I'd be forgetting about, to be honest. It's well done.
Yeah, but it was right
The 69 Plymouth Roadrunner, like this, easy, man. Extreme detail around the whole car. And this is sweet.
Well, I seen him bringing the food in.
Now, this is a truck right here. This is a truck. Now, this is how you do a K5 Blazer. Look at that. They put a 6.2 liter in here. The color is phenomenal, man. Like, this what GM should have retrofitted back. It's like, instead of coming out with the new Blazer that they came out with, which I think is complete garbage, they should have remade this. Go this setup. It looks like, to me, this is just to me, like it reminds me of like the Range Rover Defender, but better. Like, this is probably one of the Ford products I would buy. I like this design. But sitting next to each other, that K5 is so badass. Mini 9 Camaro that was in Richmond High, the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am.
What's up, babe?
Made my day. Seeing the Knight Rider over there talk like that. Now I gotta go home and watch all these films, from Knight Rider to Ridgemont High to Dukes of Hazzard. Now this is what I'm gonna do on my board time. So now I think, drop a comment below, should I have my Camaro talk to me? Like saying, good morning, Anthony. Welcome to Blueprint. Welcome to Blueprint, Anthony. What are we doing today? I think now she disagreeing with
Please don't.
me.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I'm doing that as soon as I unlock the car every time. Good